Hello students, welcome to your Pedia. I am Jitendra Tyagi and now I am going to start an interaction with our student Devasish Das regarding his interview experience. Okay, so let us have an interaction with Devasish. Hello Devasish, how are you?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So Devasish, first of all, you tell us about your BTech.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm currently pursuing my electrical engineering final year at Institute of Infrastructure Technology Research and Management, ITRAM, Ahmedabad.
Okay.
Yes,
So what is your current percentage or CGPA?
yes, sir. Current CGPA is, sir, 8.74, sir.
8.74, very good.
Yes,
And this time you appeared for GATE first time.
yes, sir. First time, sir.
In which branch?
Sir, electrical engineering, sir.
Okay, in electrical engineering. So, what was your GATE score in
Sir,
25?
502,
502 in which category?
general category, sir.
General category. Okay, very good. So, up to now, how many interview calls you have got?
Uh, Two were today. Uh, One was rural technology at IIT Guwahati. I think three I got, sir. And sir,
So,
one more, sir, one more. At IIT Indore, sir, MS I had got, sir.
MS.
Deep space
Okay, okay, good.
that I had got. Sir.
So today, which interview you were having?
Yes, sir. Today, sir, I was having two interviews, out of which one was control systems at IIT Mandi, sir.
Okay,
MS by research.
MS Research Control System, IIT Mandi, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that was good.
Yes, sir. That was good, sir.
Okay, okay. So first, let us discuss about that. Tell me, or tell us our students that what was the questions they asked you, okay, and
Yes,
what was the duration of the interview, and how many members were there in the interview panel.
yes, sir. The duration was somewhere between 10 to 12 minutes, sir, as far as I remember, sir.
Okay,
Three panel members were there. Out of that, two had asked me the question, and one panel member said it's fine, no need,
no question.
no question from her side,
Okay,
and other two had asked. Now, initially, one sir had asked me like what you had prepared for today's interview. He had
okay,
started like this. So I said, I prepared a linear algebra, vector calculus in mathematics part because linear algebra is related to control systems,
yeah,
and control systems. They then in control system he specifically asked that which portions have you covered. So I told that I have covered almost all the basic concepts that are there in the control part. So no issues. You can ask from any side.
okay.
Yes, sir. So first was mathematics, sir. They started with mathematics.
Mhm.
So in that, sir, they had given me a situation like there is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Consider 2 cross 2 matrix with
Okay,
rank 1. Yes,
rank
sir.
one. Okay,
Yes, rank 1.
okay,
So now tell whether the matrix is singular or non-singular, and also specify whether this matrix is diagonalizable or non-diagonalizable.
okay.
This was there. So singular one was easy because the rank is not equal to 2.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. But the problem arose when the diagonalizable part was there. Actually, I could not answer that properly.
Mhm.
So to explain that, he gave me an example, and I told, okay, sir, I've understood it the way you have done.
Okay,
And then we proceeded to question like matrix related to matrix multiplication. Like suppose there is a eigenvector of a given matrix A.
Mhm.
So then when we post multiply this eigenvector with the matrix A, so
Okay,
what exactly can you comment? What is happening to this system?
Mhm.
So I could not answer that as well because this was I never had gone through concept like this. But then he explained me that it is related to contraction of matrix or expansion, like a scalar. It is a scalarly contracting or expanding kind of.
okay,
And other question were related to the dimension of the matrix, like one 3 cross 3 matrix is there multiplied by 3 cross 1 matrix, then what will be the dimension? So and some other easy questions were there. So 6 to 7 questions were there for mathematics. So out of these 2 questions, as I told, I was like little bit were problematic for me, but
Okay.
others were fine. It was not a big deal.
Hmm.
And now in the control section, sir, they specifically emphasized on this stability part, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. In stability part, sir, they emphasized on like what do you understand by stability? Now, what then I explained them that there's asymptotic stability, Weibull stability, and with that I carried on. And after that, they also asked that okay, there is a response of the system. Then what exactly are the parts of that response? Like what kind of responses are there? We can say. So
Hmm.
I told them about free response and the forced response and explained them properly about that. Now they also asked questions regarding polar plots. Yes, sir. Polar plot and Nyquist plots. Sir. In
Okay.
that they laid emphasis on what do you understand, love geometrically, not like formula wise that n is equal to p minus z. No, not like that. Geometrically, or you can say practically say what do you understand when graph is cutting this like that.
Okay.
So they gave situations. So I answered almost most of the questions in the of that type. Then they asked definitions of this. What do you understand by gain margin? What do you understand by phase margin? So that definition also I was able to quite satisfy them very nicely. In fact, they told good in that definition part.
Okay.
So these are broadly, sir, what was asked to me.
Okay. So two main subjects: control system and mathematics, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any other subject like network theory or Laplace transform, jet transform, anything else in
Yes,
this?
sir. Laplace transform. One question they had asked that why Laplace transform only in control system? Why did we move from time response to Laplace transform? So that part also I was able to tell them, but they wanted something more. So so after that they carried to the next question because they're partially satisfied with that. So then they thought, okay, we can move forward, no issues.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So this was one question of that kind, Laplace transform. Yes.
Okay. And any question from signal system?
No, 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 sir, nothing from signal system. Because, sir, in that mail itself regarding the admission, sorry, not admission, interview, they clearly mentioned that in control systems interview, the subjects that you are to lay emphasis on are control systems and mathematics part. So it was specifically given. So they asked only from these two subjects, nothing else,
Okay.
only
Okay.
these.
Okay, Devashish. So you provided us very good information, and it will
Thank you.
help a lot of students in future. And at last, what do you want to say to the students? Any suggestion from your side?
Yes, sir. Sir, many a times we see that we are good at problem solving, but as far as interviews are concerned, sir, many times the theoretical questions are quite tricky because they want the practical implementation of those concepts and not just problem solving. So many times it may be so like suppose control systems, 10 marks are there. Example, in the gate, 10 marks question are asked and I am also able to solve 9 to 10 marks full, but it's not necessary that I'll really ace in the that interview also, sir, because the questions are little different from what we are accustomed to.
Yeah, in mathematics also.
Yes, sir, in mathematics also, sir, because mathematics, though, as far as I remember, out of 13 marks in this time, I got I think 11 marks.
So, did you watch all the interviews, mock interviews, or snap interviews which are available on the panel?
Sir, not all control systems. I think 8 or 9 interviews are there, and I watched I think around 6 interviews. And
Okay,
in mathematics, somewhere around 18 or 19, I think.
18 or 19 you have watched.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so
Yes.
in those interviews, all these questions of mathematics have already been discussed by me. I have asked various students about these questions. We generally ask about relationship between eigenvalue and eigenvector.
So that is common, sir. That is everywhere you will see that question is 100% guaranteed to come.
So your
Every interview.
this question was based on that concept.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so student should appear for snap interviews also for different subjects. That will benefit a lot of students.
So
Okay, Devashish. So it was nice meeting with you,
thank you,
and
sir.
all the
Thank you.
best.